Go to sketch and choose 3D sketch. Okay. Now choose line and select origin point. Okay. Now, if you want to make their want to change their direction, just put a spat. Now we are going to change this direction change. Okay. Now again you want to change the direction, press that direction changed. Okay. Now go to this direction. Okay. Now we want to change their direction, so press tab, go up. Okay. Now again change the direction, press tab, go back. Okay. Now again I want to change the direction, press tab. Okay. Okay. Change their direction, press tab. Now exit from the sketch. Now this is our three-dimensional pipe. Let's choose the dimension. Keep 100. Keep this also 100. Keep 110. Keep 100. Keep 100 mm. This also. Keep 100 mm. The same as here. Keep 90 mm. Keep 50 mm. Keep 50 mm. Okay. Now choose sketch. Choose 10 mm. Select all the corners. Okay. Now all the corner radius become 10 mm. Click OK. Okay. Now this is all 3D sketch. Now exit. Okay. Now we will draw a circle for pipe. So we will choose front plane. Okay. Go to feature. Go to reference unit 3. Choose plane. And select this point. Click OK. Select plane. Click sketch. Select normal. Go to sketch, choose circle, and draw one circle here. Okay. And assign diameter. Kid mm or select 15 mm. Exit. Now go to feature. Choose swift boss. The circle is selected. Select line. Now choose thin feature. Keep 1 mm thickness. This is better. Select OK. Select this plane. Hide it. Now see, our 3D pipes created. See,